In this short video, we'll provide a quick demonstration on how to set up and import BDD scenarios using the Assert That, BDD and Cucumber plugin for Jira. We'll explore how this can be achieved using the Features tab or via the Issue View for user stories. So we'll assume you've already installed the Assert That plugin and you can see the Features tab here on the left hand side. Assert That, when it has been installed, will need to be enabled on a project by project basis. This can be done in the project settings, and we have recorded a video explaining how to do this. So to add a feature, simply click on the Add Feature button and enter the name and description. So I've entered my name and description. I'm now going to click on Save. And we can see that the new feature has been added here at the bottom of the screen. So let's just go through a few points on this. Here you've got the option to edit the feature name. You can delete it or download it. The numbers here represent the number of scenarios which are inside this feature. As this is new, we haven't set any up yet. Looking at this existing one, we can see that there's 2 automated and 1 manual scenario in it. And we can start adding tags to the feature. As you can see, when you start adding tags, it will give you a list of available tags within this project. And we use tags on this page when we want to filter for particular features within the page. This is useful for when the number of scenarios and features within your project grows over time, and it makes it easier then to just filter and view the ones that you're interested in. So, for example, we've now filtered for a list of the features containing Assert That in the title, and we can further refine this by using the tag. We'll use that one there. And it's now filtered for features which have the name Assert That in the title and the tag of criticals. And we can now save this filter so that we can easily switch between different filters on the page. Okay, what we'll do now is just have a quick look inside this feature, and we won't go into adding scenarios, we'll cover that in the next video. As we can see, we've got our feature name, we've got our description, we've got the tag we just created, and you can also add background steps. So I've added the background name there. Now I'm just going to add a few steps. Okay, so I used autocomplete, step autocomplete functionality to give me a list of all of the steps which have the word enabled in there. We'll talk through this in more detail on the scenarios video. Just going to click OK there and go back to the features page. Okay, so the other place where you can add features is on the issue view, for example, on a user story. So I've gone to my issue. It's a user story, and you'll see here you've got a few options here under acceptance tests. I can select an existing scenario to link to this user story, but in this instance I'm going to click on Add New Scenario, and here when I start typing in my feature name, I'm going to type in a new feature which doesn't exist in this project, and then it will then add that feature to the project. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the new name. Then I need to add a scenario. And again, I'm going to add a step and use autocomplete. Shortcut is just Option and space, or Control and space on a Mac. Okay, and we'll just leave that one there for the purpose of this demo. A couple of other options that we've got here. You've got the option to unlink this scenario from the user story if you wanted to do that. As this is a brand new scenario I've created, I get the option to delete the scenario on this page. If I just linked an existing scenario to the user story, I wouldn't get that option on this page. I'd have to go to the features tab and within the feature to do that. Okay, so what we've done now, we've added a feature from the issue view. We're now going to go back to the features tab again. The third option you've got here is to import a existing feature using the upload feature. The other option that you've got here is override existing. If I tried to re-import that file again, it would provide an error because the feature already exists within the project. The override existing would upload it and override that version which I'd just loaded. So click on close there. We also provide the option to add features or import features using our custom APIs. These are all documented on our Confluence pages, and we'll put a link to that in the video notes at the end. You'll also find a link in the notes for a personalised demo where we can talk through how Assert That can be integrated with your agile processes and test automation framework. If you do have any questions, then please contact us at support@assertthat.com. If you found this video informative, then please don't forget to like or share it.